DHMO. It's used in virtually every facility in the world. Dihydrogen monoxide is a colorless, odorless substance. It is responsible for thousands of deaths each year. Prolonged exposure to its solid form causes severe tissue damage. It can accelerate corrosion and rusting and is the major component of acid rain. It is used in nuclear power plants, and quantities of dihydrogen monoxide have been found in streams and lakes around the world. Its basis is the unstable hydroxide, the components of which are found in a number of caustic, explosive, and poisonous compounds. It has been found in excised tumors from terminal cancer patients. Governments and the United Nations have refused to ban its production. Dihydrogen monoxide is H2O, water.
In this age of million-dollar jury awards suing fast food suppliers for obesity and exaggerated warnings or claims of danger from manufacturers seeking legal protection, we begin to take these cautions, warnings, and disclaimers with a touch of skepticism or disregard. When it comes to hazardous chemicals in the workplace, words, colors, and symbols really mean something. When properly used, handled, and stored, chemicals pose minimum to no risk. Hazard communication provides valuable information about the chemicals in your workplace and presents proper procedures and practices to help ensure your protection. Not only is it your right, it is your responsibility to know what they mean. In this program, we will discuss the purpose and role of hazard communication, the different classifications of chemicals and their hazards, the two primary forms of communication, container labels and material safety data sheets, and best practices you can take to help ensure your safety and health. We come in contact with potentially hazardous chemicals every day, both on and off the job. The purpose of hazard communication is to effectively communicate in a systematic process a chemical's identity, its physical and health hazards, and any special precautions required for its safe use, transportation, and storage. Why is this information important to you? It provides you with the information necessary in order to properly handle, use, and dispose of hazardous chemicals safely. The goal is to ensure your safety and health. The Hazard Communication Standard requires producers and importers to evaluate the chemicals they produce to determine if any hazards exist. The chemicals are classified by their hazard category. The two primary means required for communicating this information to customers and end users are container labels and material safety data sheets. The manufacturer or importer is responsible for the accuracy of the information. With over 650,000 chemicals designated as hazardous, each has been classified into a category based on their respective safety, health, and environmental hazards. The Department of Transportation has broken these into 9 hazard classifications. The Global Harmonized System has criteria for classifying chemicals into 24 hazardous categories. It is important you be familiar